Yo, how's it going, YouTube? My name's Meep121. Today I'm playing Space1.io. Now this is first time playing it. My computer crashed a little bit ago, so this is weird. Okay, whoa, what? Okay, so S apparently splits. Did I not want to do that? Okay, I didn't want to do that. Okay, so this is Space1.io, apparently. And right now I have oh, they turn so slow. Come here. Those are mine. Those are mine. Those are mine. Get back here. Those were mine. Get back here. Get back here. Okay, auto fire is now on. Okay, well, I don't see how. Anyway. Get back here! You don't know the way! You don't know the way! Oh no. Survive! Survive! No! Okay, I've died. Okay, well, I don't know. I don't know if I like this at all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and try this again, but go ahead and write down in the comments what type. I'm not gonna have auto fire on because that just is horrible. That is horrible. The lag is bad, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh hey, double kill. Sorry, I'll let the music play. But yeah, this is Space.io. I've said this already. Basically, the main objective, as you can see, is to shoot and become the biggest? Question mark. Yes. What you think of that, young man? Shoo-wee! No, you don't. Give me back my people. Give them back to me. Give them back to me. I'm the ruler of this map. So no, Get back here! Get me! He ran. No, I don't think so. No. Okay, well, this video is going to be extremely short. I'm going to go ahead and try this one more time. Why am I orange? I'm supposed to be blue. Because blue is the color of the Meep Army. Oh, yes. For now... okay, goodbye. I'm not trying to mess with you, Haven. Steven. Okay, well, that has been Space1.io. If you want to see me do more .io games, let me know down in the comments. Now, most likely I'm not going to add any music to this because I'm not entirely sure how. Anyway, if you liked it, go ahead and punch that like button. Join the Meep Army. Subscribe if you want. Can we reach a total of 75 subscribers? Oh wait, no, 75. Can we get 90 subscribers? This will be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy.